shouldn't be up there, Goofy.
She can get up on that top step, but scares the crap.
Look at that. You're crazy. You're a crazy climber. You are so crazy. You got a monkey? Are you a monkey too? Is that why you climb? Is that why you climb? Are you a monkey? Huh? Hi. You want me to get you down? Okay, let's get down. Get down. Get down. Climb down. You climbed up there.
I wish you can get down.
Alright, well, we'll see you later.
I'm just scared she's gonna fall.
What is that about? That wasn't even a real cough. Let's see you climb down. She dropped her monkey. There you go. Climb down.
Here we go. Big or bang. It's only time to baby.
Zoe, come here, baby. Come here. Get out off of that thing. There you go. One more. One more. There you go. Good job. Good job. And now she's going to beat me with a stick.